Now that we know how the UK works, let's walk around and see what it actually looks like every day. Picture this. Everywhere you look, ancient history is living right alongside modern life. You might see a 900-year-old castle sitting proudly on a hill, and right below it, a busy motorway with cars zooming past. It's like stepping into a time machine that decided to stay put. The countryside is so wonderfully green. All that famous British rain makes everything grow like it's been touched by magic. Rolling hills dotted with fluffy white sheep, stone walls winding through fields, and tiny villages with cottages that look like they've popped straight out of a fairy tale. And the houses. Oh, you'll love this. In British cities, many houses are built in rows like books standing on a bookshelf. They're called terraced houses, and each family gets their own front door painted in their favourite colour, bright red, sunny yellow, ocean blue, making whole streets look like rainbows. Want to know why? About 200 years ago, when lots of people moved from farms to cities, clever builders built these houses all joined together, sharing walls to keep everyone warm during chilly British winters. Each family got their own cosy home, but close enough to their neighbours to become best friends through the walls. British children walked to school wearing wonderful uniforms, blazers with special crests, shirts with ties, and jumpers in their school colours. It's like every child belongs to their own special team. And in London, they travel on those famous red double-decker buses. Imagine sitting on the top deck, looking down at the ancient streets below. In the Scottish Highlands, you'll find mysterious lakes called lochs, so deep and dark that some people believe friendly monsters might live in them. The mountains rise up through misty clouds like sleeping giants, and ancient castles perch on cliff tops keeping watch over the whole kingdom. Welsh valleys are filled with the sound of singing. The Welsh are famous for their beautiful voices that echo off the mountain walls. And in Northern Ireland, the coastline is so dramatic, it looks like giants have been playing with enormous stone blocks. But everywhere you go, from bustling London streets to peaceful Cotswold villages, from Scottish islands to Welsh market towns, everything feels cosy and welcoming. Even the grandest palace has gardens where children can play, and even the tiniest cottage has a garden bursting with flowers. It's a place where history isn't locked away in museums. It's right there on every street corner, in every stone wall. Children grow up playing in the shadows of castles, walking on thousand-year-old paths, and living in a landscape that whispers stories of all the people who've called these magical islands home.